Hey boys and girls, welcome back. We have another math lesson for you today. Today we're going to be talking about time. The objective for today's lesson is I can determine parts of the clock and tell time to the nearest quarter, half, and hour. Okay, so before we get started, I'm going to show you the clock and the hands on the clock, okay? All right, so the hour hand of the clock is the little one. Can you see that on the picture? The red one in this picture is the hour hand. So if we look at our big clock, this light green one is our hour hand. Then the minute hand is the long one. You can see in this picture, it's the red. It's on the 3. On our big clock, it's this dark green. So to tell time, we always start with the hour, the shorthand, and we see what number it's pointing to. Like right now, my shorthand is on 2, and my longhand is at the 12, which is 0, the hour. So I know on my clock right now, it's saying 2 o'clock. So to tell the minutes is a little bit trickier, and we have to practice our skip counting. On a clock, you can skip count by 5s to tell the minutes. So we're going to go through that together, and I'm going to help you. So at the top, it's 0. Then if we go to 1, it's 5 minutes. Then skip counting by 5s, the 2 would be 10. The 3 would be 15. The 4 is 20. 5 is 25. 6 is 30. 7 is 35. The 8 would be 40, 9 is 45, 10 is 50, 11 is 55, and back to 12, that's the next hour. So if I look at my clock right now, my shorthand is at the 6, so I know it's 6 o'clock because my minute hand is going to the 0, the 12. Let's try one more. What if I move my minute hand over here to the 3? Oops, sorry, I'll hold it there. Now the time is 6:15. Does everybody see that? Because I went 5, 10, 15. Now we're going to watch a video to learn a little bit more about how to tell time.
Tick tock, let's learn about the clock. Tick tock, the analog clock. You see them on the wall in your classroom or the hall. A lot of people wear them on their wrist. It's the analog clock. Now sing after me and let's learn about the analog clock. Analog clocks can be the shape of a circle. Analog clock can be the shape of a circle. The numbers on the clock go from 1 to 12. The numbers on the clock go from 1 to 12. A short and long hand go round and round. A short hand and long hand go round and round. Both hands go round all day and night. Both hands go round all day and night. And we always say, oh clock, on the hour. A short hand tells the hours on the clock. A short hand tells the hours on the clock. A short hand moves one number each hour. A short hand moves one number each hour. A long hand tells the minutes on the clock. A long hand tells the minutes on the clock. A long hand goes all around each hour. A long hand goes all around each hour. And we always say, oh clock, on the hour. Whoa, tick tock, let's learn about the clock. Tick tock, the analog clock. Tick tock, let's learn about the clock. Tick tock, the analog clock. Let's be friends. Place your mouse on my guitar and click the red subscribe button. Also, you can click this icon to visit
Ms. Bridger, are you ready to talk about this?
I was on mute. Boys and girls, so Miss Smith is about to explain to you your homework, but I need to explain this before we do so. So this is our daily schedule. This is just an example, but this is what you're going to be creating. So what we want you to do is from the time that you get up to the time that you go to bed, we want you to look at 5 different times during the day, explain what you do during those times, and draw some sort of picture. Okay, so looking at 7 o'clock on the picture on the left, it says they eat breakfast and they start chores. I see some bacon, I see some eggs, and they've drawn those chores. Okay, so you're going to be telling 5 different times a day and drawing a picture explaining also what you are doing during those times. Now, Ms. Smith is going to explain to you the rest of your homework.
Okay, boys and girls, you are going to check the clock and see what time it is 5 times a day. Okay, so you're going to look at your clock 5 times each day and you're going to write down what time it is. Then you're going to create your daily schedule. Okay, now remember, you can record what time you wake up, what time you eat breakfast, what time you have lunch. You can record your playtime, even what time you go to bed. Also, here are your bonus points. If you include measuring and telling time in your schedule, you get bonus points. So we look forward to your answers. Good luck.